On peut mettre ça aussi dedans. Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadirecipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how we make curdled milk. We call it in French Lait Caille. In our tradition, we call it Kossan. That is really basic in our culture, so we have to have it. I will show you how to make it, and then I will show you how to use it with the couscous and make this delicious. I think I have a recipe already in my channel for this, but I will show you again. So please guys, don't go anywhere. Give me the thumbs up now, and then let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to use just 3 ingredients, guys. We are going to make it really simple, and you don't need a lot of ingredients. We are going to use here 500 grams of full cream milk powder. You can use any brand if you like. Just use a full cream milk powder. You can use Nido, LP, or anything you have. And then you also need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and just 3 liters of water, depending of the texture you like. Now on the milk, I'm going to add 1 liter of room temperature water and mix well using a whisk. Then I'm going to pass it through a sieve to remove any lumps. If you are living in a cold place, add 2 liters of room temperature water and 1 liter of hot water. Otherwise, just use 2.5 liters of room temperature water and just half liter of hot water. It's all depend on the place where you live. And also guys, always use a plastic container to make this type of yogurt, or you can also use a glass if you like, but don't use metal. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Don't mix it, just cover your container and place it in a hot place. Wrap it well and leave it for at least 10 hours to ferment. It can take even more time if you are living in a cold environment. Just be patient. So after the fermentation, put it in your refrigerator or use it as you like. For me, I'm going to make it with couscous. So for that, I have here my cup of pre-cooked couscous, which I'm going to cover with boiling water and wait for 10 minutes. Then I will add a teaspoon of butter and mix, which is optional, but I love to add it in. Let it cool down a bit, add your homemade curdled milk and mix well. Add some sugar to your own taste. Add some vanilla if you like and mix this well. To finish, add in some unsweetened condensed milk and mix this also all together. Put this in your refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. Enjoy guys, my family and I love this recipe a lot. I eat it every time. We make it very often and put in the refrigerator. I hope you guys will love this recipe too. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and enjoy.